It needs a little repair. Let's have a look. Drag the scanner to check it out. You're so smart. Super! Now let's disassemble the front loader. Keep going. Perfect. What do we fix first? The wheel is broken. Pick up all the junk with pliers. You're so smart. Awesome! Use a glue gun and fill the holes with glue. Super! Magnificent! Put the patches in the silhouette. Octagon. Super duper! Crescent. Semicircle. Parallelogram. Trapeze. Magnificent! Connect the pump to the wheel. Perfect! Pump it! Pump it! Keep going! That's it! The wires are broken. Let's fix it. Use a hammer to break the locks. That's a lot of dust. Let's vacuum it up. Magnificent! Plug the wire into the right place. Red. Blue. Blue. Yellow. Green. That's it! Cracks and dents, we have to fix them. We need to remove the rocks with pliers. That's great! Use a hammer to level out the dents. That's great! Weld the cracks. Move the tool along the cracks. Super! Awesome! The only thing left to do is paint. Keep going. Yay! It works! All done! Now help to assemble. Front loader. I knew you could do it! Now we can upgrade the parts! We need to get to the construction site!